unveiling the journey ahead. The magic of adventures await us. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that sparks imagination and evokes excitement. Adventures await us. This beautiful phrase is not just about the words but the feelings and anticipation it brings. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover the depths of what these words truly mean. Adventures await us is a phrase full of hope, excitement, and the unknown. Let's break it down. Adventures. This word alone conjures images of exploration, discovery, and experiencing new things. An adventure is not just a physical journey but can also be an emotional or intellectual one. Await. To await means to wait for something with anticipation. It's not just waiting, it's expecting something exciting or significant. This simple word includes everyone involved. It's a collective experience, shared with others, whether they are friends, family, or even viewers like you. Together, these words combine to promise that exciting experiences are on the horizon, ready for us to discover them. This phrase is much more than a call to action. It's an invitation to embrace the unknown with open arms. Here's why it's powerful. Promotes curiosity. It encourages us to be curious about the world around us, to explore new cultures, ideas, and experiences. Builds anticipation. The phrase builds excitement for what's to come, making us look forward to future experiences. Encourages unity. By saying it highlights the importance of sharing experiences with others, creating bonds and memories together. In essence, adventures await us is a reminder that life is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. Incorporating adventures await us into our daily conversations can inspire a positive outlook on life. Here are a few examples. Planning a trip. We've finally booked our tickets to Japan. Adventures await us. Starting a new project. This project might be challenging, but think of all we'll learn. Adventures await us. Facing uncertainty. Even though we don't know what the future holds, adventures await us. Let's face it with excitement. By using this phrase, we encourage ourselves and others to view the future with optimism and excitement. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the phrase, adventures await us. It's a reminder that life is an adventure, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for growth, learning, and connection. I hope this video inspires you to look forward to the adventures that await, with eagerness and an open heart. Remember, every day holds the promise of a new adventure. So, let's embrace it together. Stay curious, stay excited, and until next time, happy learning.